DIY Home Improvement Crash Course, Basic Carpentry Skills. Introduction. Welcome to the DIY Home Improvement Crash Course. In this module, we will delve into the world of basic carpentry skills. Carpentry is an essential skill for any DIY enthusiast, allowing you to build, repair, and enhance various wooden structures in your home. In this crash course, we will discuss the importance of carpentry, share inspiring stories, and provide an overview of the top 12 basic carpentry skills and techniques you can learn. So, let's grab our tools and embark on a journey of craftsmanship. Stories and examples. 1. The joy of building a bookshelf. Imagine a homeowner who had a collection of books but no proper storage space. They decided to take matters into their own hands and build a bookshelf from scratch. They measured, cut, and assembled the pieces, and with each step, their excitement grew. Finally, they stood back and admired their creation, a beautiful bookshelf that not only organized their books but also became a centerpiece in their living room. 2. Repairing a wobbly table. Picture someone who had a wobbly dining table that made every mealtime a frustrating experience. Instead of replacing it, they decided to tackle the issue themselves. Armed with their carpentry skills, they carefully disassembled the table, identified the problem, and made the necessary adjustments. The result was a stable and sturdy table that brought joy back to family meals. Top 12 Basic Carpentry Skills/Techniques. 1. Measuring and marking. Accurate measurement and marking are crucial for successful carpentry projects. 2. Sawing. Mastering the use of hand saws and power saws to cut wood to the desired size and shape. 3. Drilling. Understanding the different types of drills and their uses, such as creating holes and countersinking screws. 4. Sanding. Smoothing surfaces using sandpaper or sanding machines to achieve a polished finish. 5. Joinery. Creating strong and durable connections between wooden pieces, such as butt joints, miter joints, and dovetail joints. 6. Planing. Shaping and smoothing wood surfaces using a hand plane for a professional finish. 7. Routing. Using a router to hollow out areas, create decorative edges, and make precise cuts in wood. 8. Assembly. Properly joining and securing wooden pieces using nails, screws, dowels, or adhesives. 9. Leveling. Ensuring that surfaces and structures are level and plumb for stability and aesthetics. 10. Finishing. Applying finishes such as varnish, stain, or paint to protect and enhance the appearance of wood. 11. Basic framing. Constructing simple wooden frames for walls, doors, and windows. 12. Trim and molding. Installing decorative trim and molding to add character and detail to a space. Summarization. Carpentry is a fundamental skill that empowers homeowners to take control of their living spaces. With basic carpentry skills, you can tackle a wide range of projects, from building furniture to repairing structures. By mastering measurement, cutting, joining, and finishing techniques, you can bring your creative visions to life and add a personal touch to your home. So, grab your tools, unleash your inner craftsman, and let's embark on a journey of woodworking. Poem. With saw in hand and wood in sight, we craft creations with pure delight. Measure and mark, precision our guide. Carpentry skills, a source of pride. Sanding smooth, surfaces refine. Joinery strong, connections align. Drills and saws, their power we know. Carving dreams, with each new blow. Planing wood, shaping with care. Routing edges, details we share. Assembly secure, pieces unite. Level and plumb, structures upright. Finishes applied, colors imbue. Framing visions, construction anew. Trim and molding, elegance unfurled. In the realm of carpentry, we build our world. Song. Verse 1. In a world of wood and tools, we learn the art of carpentry's rules. From measuring to marking, precise and true. Basic skills we master, creating something new. Chorus. Sawing, drilling, and joining strong. Carpentry skills, where we belong. Planing, routing, and sanding with care. Crafting beauty, with hands aware. Verse 2. We assemble and level, structures sound. Finishing touches, details renowned. With sawdust in the air, our dreams take flight. In the realm of carpentry, we find our light. Chorus. Sawing, drilling, and joining strong. Carpentry skills, where we belong. Planing, routing, and sanding with care. Crafting beauty, with hands aware. Bridge. With each project, a story unfolds. Wooden creations, tales to be told. In DIY carpentry, our passion soars. Transforming spaces, forevermore. Chorus. Sawing, drilling, and joining strong. Carpentry skills, where we belong. Planing, routing, and sanding with care. Crafting beauty, with hands aware. Outro. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.